You're interested in comic book conservation, please join us on Facebook at the Comic Book Conservation Community, where we have a gathering of experts in the industry, and you can ask all of your questions that you need to know about what you need to do to conserve and preserve these beautiful works of art. Please join Dr. Paul from Liberty Hill Comics, Phantom Phil from Phantom Restorations, and myself, Captain Larry from Flying L Comics, every Sunday night on YouTube. At 8:35 p.m. Eastern, we talk about everything comic conservation and what's happening in the market. So please come join us. You can find us at Liberty Hill Comics on YouTube and Flying L Comics on YouTube.
Well, our Captain Marvel adventures came back from CGC. If you remember, this was kind of a rescue project. It was dirty, it had a slight spine roll, it needed some leaf casting on the spine and tear seals done. It cleaned up really nice. I was really pleased how bright the colors ended up coming out. The back cover had a lot of dirt on it, it cleaned up nicely as well. Uh, all in all, the whole project really came out with really great improvements. I think it's much brighter. It shows really well. So it came back from CGC, and I was really quite happy with the results. It really shows nicely inside the slab. The colors are bright. It just really pops. It came back at a conserved 5.0. Conservation includes leaf casting to the cover, cover cleaned. And all in all, for a book from 1943, it's 80 years old. I really am happy with the results.
If you like today's video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you can get a notification when I have a new video coming out or a follow-up to this one.